Hello and welcome as I begin my quest for the brain-eating amoeba, Naegleria fowleri. Although Naegleria fowleri is often found in warm lakes, streams, and ponds, I thought I would begin here. What would we find in this sample lurking just under our feet? In the universe of microbes, amoeba is truly the shapeshifters of single-celled organisms. They catch food and move about by extending finger-like projections of protoplasm. Amoebas contain a small mass of jelly-like cytoplasm, which is differentiated into thin outer plasm membranes, with a layer of stiff, clear ectoplasm just within the plasm membrane, and a central granular endoplasm. Inside, the endoplasm contains food vacuoles, a granular nucleus, and a clear contractile vacuole. Digestion of food takes place in these vacuoles. Contractile vacuoles perform the task of removal, excretion of water, and waste materials from the body. The process of breathing in amoebas takes place through cell membranes. Note, this amoeba engulfs a diatom and takes it away for digestion. Remarkably, amoebas are like some white blood cells in our bodies. Amoebas feed on bacteria, algae, and decaying plant material. I was surprised and amazed at how many different types of amoebas I encountered in one sample. Here, in real time, you can see how slow the amoeba moves. Because of this and their size, they are often overlooked. Look close and you can see that this amoeba has swallowed a diatom. Yet another amoeba gorging on a diatom. This shelled amoeba seems to be dragging along some extra baggage. Although I did not find the amoeba I was searching for, I cannot complain, or was I disappointed in what I did find. I hope you will continue to follow me on my quest for the brain-eating